we are just looking for better ways of doing work, and HubSpot, as you know, keep on releasing different features. So how do we basically leverage on new features to provide better to automate as much process as possible? So we were facing certain challenges in terms of signing of the deals, where proper notifications were not going to finance team, because of which deals were getting delayed. This was not able to track what all activities were done in S2O process, what all activities were done in expense milestone process, and then we have also leveraged HubSpot for marketing also, where we have created workflows to send SMSs and we are working on WhatsApp as well to bring in new leads. With these internal processes, we are able to track what all activities are done with the customer. We are able to track those customers for which maybe teacher orientation is not done, for which student conferences are not done. We also now know all of the visits information of these customers. We also know about the complaints about the customers. We also know about the minutes of meetings which was basically generated when we went to meet customers. So we know a lot about customers, and by knowing our when our team knows them, we obviously we are able to provide them better services. We are able to keep them engaged. We are able to keep them. We are able to give them confidence that now we are in that position when we know them better. Plus, yes, our business processes are efficient. We are able to sign deals very faster. Our business heads, regional business heads, zonal business heads can keep track of all deals and can push our sales executives to close deals faster. So that also helps to bring revenue.
There were delays in order fulfillment, and the support team also needed to interact a lot with the product delivery team, so that just to ensure that everything was delivered on time and as per the orders that were there. Your open tickets needed to be closed with a proper SLA and not to be reopened erroneously or without any faults. Reporting was, of course, one of the main areas.
One of the major objective was to bring some kind of strategic inputs in terms of how we are using HubSpot, right? So we have developed HubSpot using in our own way, which might be inefficient. And we wanted someone who's expert in this to give us inputs in terms of this is not the right way to use HubSpot. This is not the right way to track deals. This is not the right way to track tickets, to create tickets. You may use this. It was the diamond partner, now an elite partner. So one of the very few diamond partner at that point of time. Second, and before the onboarding, we have been discussing some of the business problems you're facing, and we wanted to get your inputs, and we are really satisfied with the kind of solutions, with your approach of tackling those things, which have really impressed us. We are able to make good relationships also. So relationships also one of the important thing when you work. You should work. It's a partnership. You win-win situation. So right, that is what we could feel, or we could feel when we are onboarding TransFunnel. I think some of the things which you observed are you have good tech skills also, which is very difficult to find with other HubSpot partners through TransFunnel. Plus, I think ownership is really high. Proper transparency in terms of number of hours you are being working on, and is this now after the TransFunnel has come into picture, that part is we found good quality in terms of solutions which is being provided to us. Impact on other things, other workflows have been identified, and I think those have been discussed even and communicated also to the team, so that our planned time is not increased or is not improved, because a lot of things depends on your planned time. That this is the time when you need this feature, and you have to plan a lot of things. So that I feel we have been working as per plan a lot of times. Sure. I think we have got some of the very unique solutions being provided by TransFunnel. One of the solution was good integration and seamless integration with the MSG 91, which have really helped us generate leads, which and basically bringing back the leads which were lost. By creating some of the wonderful workflows. Other thing was we have also removed a lot of duplicate workflows, which was creating problems in a lot of processes, and a lot of processes which were not making sense. It was very difficult to understand the HubSpot because there were like 600-700 workflows. Now we have been able to reduce it, and understanding and of HubSpot has become easier and faster. Developed some of the PHP forms for getting information about visits, and creating new visits. Basically, so we have another partner who basically helps us tracking the visits, but all of the visits are not getting tracked through the partner. So we also need to be give this functionality to create visits, and TransFunnel suggested a solution, a wonderful solution. And we are also now able to capture minutes of meetings, customer satisfaction across all visits. Plus a lot of API integrations were done through those PHP forms, which used to create and update various properties in HubSpot. So yeah, those were some of the innovative and unique solutions being provided by us. Good information and good and informative, a lot of rich information about the customer, good quality lead generation, and yes, development of any new task or any new functionality faster because of the reduction in workforce. But overall, we are really happy with even so. All of the three things which you have talked about, right? Business is really grown from when we have onboarded TransFunnel, and a good amount of contribution goes to TransFunnel for helping us grow the business.
So basically, my experience with TransFunnel has been very good because they have been very helpful. Like if you want to incorporate any new process or any new change in HubSpot, if you want to check any feasibility in HubSpot, this is on that. And we've always gone to TransFunnel team, to their tech team for the implementation. They've been always come. I mean, they give us a correct picture if it can be done or if cannot be done, and if a different way of solution which we could not think of. So they have been always helpful in providing that in different aspects, like as Vishal said, for the capturing the visits data or capturing the approval process, deal revision process, which Vishal mentioned. So in such cases, TransFunnel has helped us in a very, very much way. And coming to the coordination part, I mean, of course, I am a POC from Lead School, which I talk with TransFunnel team day in and day out, but people from our business team also speak with TransFunnel on the small issues or small changes, and TransFunnel team always go out of their way to help them and resolve the issues faster.